When you choose a stitch on this Singer sewing machine, the optimum stitch length and width are automatically set for you. Automatic length settings are easily adjusted by moving the stitch length control lever. Move it to the left for shorter stitches or to the right for longer stitches. Automatic width settings are also easily adjusted by moving the stitch width control lever. Move it to the left for narrower stitches or to the right for wider stitches. The drop and sew bobbin is a great time-saving feature. There's no need to draw up the bobbin thread before you start to sew. The machine will pick it up for you. Set your bobbin in the bobbin case, then place the thread tail into the groove. Trim the tail and just start sewing. Your bobbins and bobbin cover are transparent, making it easy to monitor your thread supply. Create buttonholes for your projects in one easy step. Just set the machine to the buttonhole. Place the button onto the automatic one-step buttonhole foot, and the machine does the rest. Both sides of the buttonhole are sewn in the same direction, which means the buttonholes are perfectly balanced, without any fabric shifting. Every buttonhole is perfectly sized for your button, no matter how many buttonholes you want to make. Choose from 2 different styles of buttonhole. You'll have the right size for any project.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.